Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on I-95 southbound, beginning at mile 33 in Maine, as we cross the Saco River and enter the city of Biddeford. Biddeford is the most populous city in York County and an important hub for business and industry. Unlike many places that have seen their populations shrink, Biddeford, the sixth largest city in Maine, has managed to keep growing, with an estimated population of 22,450 as of 2022. The city is also home to the University of New England. We enter the town of Arundel, with a population of 4,264 as of the 2020 census. Arundel's history is tied to a series of boundary adjustments and name changes. The original town of Arundel was officially established on June 10, 1719, emerging from an earlier settlement called Cape Porpoise. However, in 1821, the name Arundel vanished when the town was renamed Kennebunkport, 2 words. Fast forward nearly a century, on April 1, 1915, a new town was carved out of Kennebunkport and named North Kennebunkport, 1 word. Well, no, really 2 words, but not 3 words. Then in 1957, this town adopted the name Arundel. The present-day Arundel, however, only covers a small part of the area that originally carried the name in 1719. To add a bit more confusion, a village in the neighboring town of Kennebunkport is also called Arundel. We enter the town of Kennebunk, not to be confused with Kennebunkport, which is an entirely separate town. Kennebunk is a popular summer destination that thrives on tourism to support its economy. The town is known for its rich history and notable architecture. Summer Street holds the distinction of being Maine's first historic district to be listed on the National Register of Historic Places, while the Lower Alewife Historic District joined the register in 1994. Among Kennebunk's architectural highlights is the Wedding Cake House, a federal-style home adorned with intricate Gothic trim. Contrary to local legend, the embellishments were not added by a ship captain mourning a bride lost at sea, but by George Washington Bourne later in life as a tribute to his wife of many years. We stopped at the Kennebunk Service Plaza for coffee and a snack and to fill up the gas tank. We enter the town of Wells with a population of 11,314 as of the 2020 census, an increase of 18% since the 2010 census. Wells is a resort town founded in 1643, making it the third oldest town in Maine. The town started out as a farming community where people grew hay and vegetables. Over time, other industries like shipbuilding and fishing also became important. In the 19th century, the railroad arrived, making it easier for visitors to reach the area. The town's sandy beaches began to draw tourists, and many inns and hotels were built along the shoreline to accommodate them. Even now, tourism continues to play a key role in the local economy. Resort visitors can cause the population to swell to 40,000 or more during the summer months. We passed through the town of Ogunquit, which originated as a village corporation within the town of Wells. It had its own police, fire, and other services, and functioned like a separate town. In 1980, it broke away from Wells and became an official town, with about 3 miles of coastline and beaches along the Gulf of Maine. Now we enter the town of York with a population of 13,723 as of the 2020 census. York is a popular resort town, much like Wells and Ogunquit. It features 3 18-hole golf courses, 4 sandy beaches, and the scenic Mount Agamenticus. Over time, York became a trendy summer destination and still showcases many impressive examples of Gilded Age architecture, especially in the shingle style. In the heart of York Village, a group of historic buildings is preserved as museums by the Old York Historical Society, offering a glimpse into the town's rich history. We conclude today's video at mile 11. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our Backseat channel members Christopher Collins, Laurie Smith, The Big K, and Martin Blaze, and Front Seat member Henry Barton. You can also help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.